Have you ever heard of the blue supermoon? Get ready to discover why this rare phenomenon is a celestial spectacle you won't want to miss. Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to unravel the mysteries of the rare blue supermoon. This celestial phenomenon not only lights up our skies spectacularly, but also carries a rich tapestry of science, culture, and mythology. Throughout this video, we'll explore what a blue moon really means, why it is so special, and how you can make the most of the next appearance of this rare event. Get ready to discover how the blue supermoon connects the world of astronomy with human imagination, inspiring both scientists and dreamers. Let's get started. Let's start by exploring a fascinating concept, the blue supermoon. Despite what the name suggests, the blue moon has nothing to do with the color of the moon. In fact, the term refers to a specific astronomical phenomenon. The expression blue moon has its roots in a misinterpretation of an old term. Originally, it was used to describe rare events. Over time, it became associated with the occurrence of a second full moon within a single month of the Gregorian calendar. Normally, each month has only one full moon. However, since the lunar cycle lasts approximately 29.5 days, occasionally a month can contain two full moons. When this happens, the second full moon is called a blue moon. This event occurs approximately every 2 or 3 years. Many people, upon hearing the term for the first time, might imagine that the moon actually appears blue in the sky. This can be reinforced by edited or artistic images circulating in the media and on social networks. On rare occasions, the moon can appear bluish due to specific atmospheric conditions, such as the presence of smoke or dust particles in the atmosphere, resulting from large forest fires or volcanic eruptions. However, this is not related to the blue moon phenomenon as defined astronomically. Culturally, the expression "once in a blue moon" is used in English to describe events that are rare or unusual, reflecting the rarity of the astronomical phenomenon. Clarifying that the blue moon is not really blue helps correct common misconceptions and increase public understanding of astronomical phenomena. It also highlights the importance of exploring and understanding the science behind the names and events that capture our imagination. Now, let's discover what exactly a supermoon is. It occurs when the full moon coincides with the perigee, the point at which the moon is closest to Earth in its elliptical orbit. This makes the moon appear larger and brighter in the sky than usual. The moon's orbit around Earth is not a perfect circle, but an ellipse. This means there are times when the moon is closer to Earth, at perigee, and times when it is farther away, at apogee. When the moon is at perigee and full, it can appear up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than when it is at apogee. This increase in size and brightness is what characterizes a supermoon. For us, observers on Earth, this difference in size and brightness can be noticeable to the naked eye, especially when the moon is near the horizon, creating an optical illusion that makes it appear even larger. Although the difference may not be dramatic for everyone, the supermoon offers a unique opportunity to appreciate the beauty and grandeur of our natural satellite. In addition to its beauty, supermoons are valuable opportunities for astronomers and scientists to study the moon in detail, including its surface and the gravitational effects it exerts on Earth. The proximity of the moon during a supermoon can cause slightly higher tides than usual, known as perigin tides. Supermoons capture the public's imagination and are often celebrated in sky-watching events, highlighting the connection between science and popular appreciation of natural phenomena. So, the next time you hear about a supermoon, know that it's a chance to witness a truly special celestial spectacle. Now let's understand why the blue supermoon is such a rare event. The rarity of this phenomenon is due to the combination of two distinct events, the supermoon and the blue moon. Each of these events on its own is already relatively uncommon, and the coincidence of both is even more special. First, we have the supermoon, which occurs when the full moon coincides with the perigee, the point at which the moon is closest to Earth. This makes the moon appear larger and brighter in the sky and happens a few times a year. On the other hand, the blue moon is defined as the second full moon in a single month of the Gregorian calendar. Due to the lunar cycle of approximately 29.5 days, this situation occurs about once every 2 or 3 years. For a blue supermoon to occur, a supermoon must coincide with the second full moon of the month. This combination of astronomical factors is what makes the event so rare and special. The exact frequency of a blue supermoon can vary, but it generally occurs once every several decades, depending on how the lunar cycles align with the calendar. The rarity of the event generates great interest and enthusiasm among astronomers and the general public. It is a unique opportunity for observation and celebration. Many communities and astronomical organizations organize special events to observe and celebrate the blue supermoon, taking the opportunity to educate the public about astronomy. The blue supermoon is a reminder of the complexity and beauty of celestial phenomena. Its rarity invites us to look at the sky with wonder and to value the unique moments that nature provides us. Now, let's explore the stories and myths associated with the blue moon, which have fascinated cultures around the world for centuries. The blue moon, with its rarity and beauty, has inspired a rich tapestry of myths and legends that reflect people's imagination and beliefs. In Europe, the blue moon was often seen as an omen of unusual or magical events. It was believed to have the power to influence human behavior and nature, becoming a symbol of mystery and transformation. In various Asian cultures, the blue moon was associated with festivals and celebrations. Some legends speak of gods and goddesses who inhabit the moon, and the blue moon was seen as a special time to honor them and celebrate the connection between heaven and earth. Among some Native American tribes, the blue moon was considered a time of reflection and spiritual renewal. It was an opportunity to connect with nature and the cycles of life, highlighting the importance of the moon in spiritual traditions. In the English language, the expression "once in a blue moon" is used to describe events that are rare or unusual, reflecting the rarity of the astronomical phenomenon and its ability to capture popular imagination. Additionally, the blue moon has been a source of inspiration for poets, writers, and artists. Its presence in works of art and literature symbolizes mystery, beauty, and the passage of time, showing how natural phenomena can profoundly influence culture and tradition. The stories and myths associated with the blue moon remind us of the connection between heaven and earth, and how sky watching has been an essential part of the human experience. They invite us to look at the sky with wonder and to value the rich cultural heritage that the blue moon represents. Now, let's talk about how you can observe the blue supermoon and make the most of this rare celestial spectacle. Observing a blue supermoon is a unique experience, and with proper preparation, you can make it even more special. First, it's important to know the best time for observation. The blue supermoon is best seen during moonrise or moonset when it is near the horizon. At these times, the moon can appear even larger due to an optical illusion known as the moon illusion. Be sure to check the weather forecast to ensure the sky will be clear, as clouds can hinder visibility. Choosing the ideal location is also crucial. Look for an open environment with an unobstructed view of the horizon, away from artificial lights that may obscure the view of the moon. Rural areas or parks are ideal for minimizing light pollution. Use astronomy apps or a compass to determine the direction in which the moon will rise or set, ensuring you are correctly positioned. As for equipment, the blue supermoon can be appreciated with the naked eye, but binoculars or telescopes can enhance the experience, allowing you to see details of the lunar surface. If you want to capture the event, use cameras with zoom lenses or smartphones with night photography modes. A tripod can help stabilize the camera for sharper photos. Here are some additional tips. Plan ahead and arrive at your chosen location with plenty of time to settle in and adjust your equipment. Consider observing the event with friends or local astronomy groups, which can make the experience more social and educational. Observing a blue supermoon is an opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the universe. With the right preparation, you can make this experience truly memorable. Finally, let's explore the scientific and cultural impact of the blue supermoon, a phenomenon that goes beyond simple astronomical observation. From a scientific perspective, the blue supermoon offers an excellent opportunity for scientists and astronomers to study the moon in detail. During this event, the proximity of the moon allows for more precise observations of its surface, including craters and lunar seas. Additionally, the proximity of the moon can cause slightly higher tides, known as perigin tides. Studying these effects helps scientists better understand the gravitational interaction between Earth and the moon. Events like the blue supermoon are also used by scientists and educators to promote astronomy and increase public interest in celestial phenomena. They offer an opportunity to explain astronomical concepts in an accessible and engaging way. Culturally, the blue supermoon has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and musicians. Its beauty and rarity are often captured in works of art, literature, and music, symbolizing mystery and fascination. Many communities organize sky-watching events during the blue supermoon, promoting unity and the sharing of experiences. These events help strengthen community bonds and promote astronomical education. In various cultures, the moon has a deep symbolic meaning, and the blue supermoon in particular, is seen as a time of reflection and renewal. It is often associated with changes and new beginnings. The blue supermoon exemplifies the rich intersection between science and culture. While it offers valuable opportunities for scientific research, it also enriches popular culture and inspires human creativity, connecting people around the world through wonder and knowledge. And so, we come to the end of our exploration of the fascinating blue supermoon. We hope you feel inspired to look up at the sky and appreciate the beauty and complexity of this rare phenomenon. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring the universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of new content. Share this video with friends and family who might also be interested in astronomy. Leave your comments below about what surprised you the most, or if you've ever had the chance to see a blue supermoon. Thank you for watching, and until the next celestial adventure.